In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project with time tracking in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a team or working solo, mastering this skill can help keep everything on track and running smoothly. So, let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Zoho Books website. Using your favorite web browser, navigate to Zoho Books by either typing the URL directly into the search bar or by conducting a quick search engine query. Once you're on the site, take a moment to look around if you're unfamiliar, but our goal today is to get signed in so we can create that project. So next, click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your login credentials to access your Zoho Books account. If you have any issues signing in, ensure your username and password are correct. Don't forget to make sure that your internet connection is stable, as connectivity issues can occasionally disrupt the login process. It's also a good idea to keep your login details secure to protect your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books homepage. From here, you'll want to turn your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. Look for an option labeled Time Tracking. Click on it and this will lead you to the section where you can manage your various projects and tasks related to time management. Next, within the time tracking section, find and click on the Projects link. This area is specifically designed for you to manage and organize your work-related projects. Here you can view all ongoing projects and create new ones as needed. Now let's go ahead and create a new project. Look for a button that says Create New Project. Clicking this will open up a form where you can enter the details of your new project. It's worth taking your time here to ensure that all the information is accurate and comprehensive. Fill in all required fields such as the project name, project description, timelines, and any other pertinent information. This ensures everyone involved stays informed and on the same page. After you've created your project, head back to the dashboard in Zoho Books by clicking Dashboard from the left-hand menu. This will be your central hub for monitoring your projects and other financial features in Zoho Books. Before we wrap up, navigate over to the Organization section available from the dashboard. This area allows you to oversee various organizational settings and manage your team effectively. To further customize your project settings or manage your organization's details, click on Manage. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust project parameters or organizational settings to best suit your needs, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a new project with time tracking capabilities in Zoho Books. This tool can greatly enhance your productivity and ensure project goals are met efficiently. Keep exploring Zoho Books, as it has a wealth of features designed to simplify your business management tasks. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your projects.